Okay, YouTube, we're gonna do a little Costacoat on this boat here. We're gonna start with the prep cleaner. I got an old thing for the Chinese. We've got the gray pad that comes with the kit, and you can see that's how bad my gel coat looks. Pretty nasty. So I'm gonna pause this and we'll continue on while I start doing the prep. Okay, so the cost of prep is a 1-to-6 reduction. I power washed it off again. I did a little bit. I don't like the way it's sitting, so we're going to do a little bit more cost of prep at 1-to-6 using the gray pad. Okay, so you see she's nice and hazy. I got a few imperfections. This is a 40-year-old boat, 50-year-old boat. So there are some imperfections. You definitely cannot see my reflection in that. Okay, so this is the first coat, the Costacoat clear, and you can see already that I developed a shine. I did exactly what the manufacturer stated. I put it in basically. I took the included pad. I did not unfold it. I simply soaked it, wrung it, and then I attempted to make nice, smooth, long strokes down the fiberglass. And right now we're setting up for the first 15-minute dry. So right off the top, you could see that it definitely began the shining process. I got some streaking, but I believe this will come out in the next coatings. But already it's soaking it in, it's brightening up the color, and we're getting some results right off the bat. Okay, so we're into coat number 2, and I began rushing the application and seeing some of the results of foaming. Like the manufacturer stated, you do not want to do a lot of lifting because lifting will get you foaming. So what I went ahead and I did was I began to stop the lifting and more of a smooth motion again, and you can see again we're definitely building shine for sure. Getting shine that we didn't have before. You do not see any of the marks from the pad, and it's definitely beginning to build. I guess the best place to show you what the results are looking like is where the old stickers were. There was an old sticker here before I showed you, and right now you can't really see where that sticker was, but the original gel coat underneath there is very difficult. It's right here. I'll point it out with my finger if you need to try to locate it, but you can see the sticker right there, and this was the original gel coat right here. You can see the line here. Now you get a better view of it there, but you can see that it's almost invisible. That's pretty amazing. I've tried many products. I've tried Arctic's. The cleaner smells very much like Wellesley's bleach white. It even looks like Wellesley's. I think it is Wellesley's. But regardless, not to take away from the person that's selling this, the product works as advertised for sure. You can see a bug just got stuck in it. That's what I was afraid of. I'm trying to stay away from this. But definitely works as advertised. So let's see what the subsequent coats are going to look like. Wow. That's 6 coats. It's getting to the point where it's borderline amazing. I don't know if I can get any more shine out of this. I mean, I got 6 coats on it already, and I only used, I'll show you how much I used. That much. I don't know if you can see that. That's a quart. And I got 6 coats out of it. Look at the shine on this shit. Unbelievable. I'm gonna go for like 12 coats. See what happens. Maybe it'll start turning blue. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, I had a haze that I couldn't even see my hand. Just amazing. And you know, what's really neat about it is it doesn't, I figured all the scratches would come out too, but they really don't. You don't really see them. I'm gonna keep going. Stuff is unbelievable. YouTube. So we're done with the Costacoat. I have 10 coats of Costacoat applied to my boat. You can see the original fiberglass was just completely dulled out. This is the last coat. It's still in drying stage. You can see that the boat is 110% better than it was. The Costacoat has done everything it promised. Maybe I should use it on my Corvette, I don't know. But look at the shine on this product. You see the camera as I come in. I mean, it shined everything. The gel is just almost perfect. I mean, I had some stains in it. I did wash it down with bleach. I used the Costa Prep. I mean, I'll be honest with you, the Costa Prep kind of smelled like Wellesley's bleach white, but it did a great job of cleaning. I used their pad. You could see where originally I had shown in the very first video where the sticker was. You could barely see that now, whereas before it was highly pronounced. You can see the trees in my backyard there. That's what all that look is. Coming across the front, we'll get a better view of the boat. And again, about 10 coats. The last one is still drying here. I did not get any streaks once it dried out. So it really, look at how bad my seats are. I mean, this is how bad this boat looked. You know, the seats were destroyed. Those are going to get recovered. I don't really care about that too much. This is what I cared about the most. So the Costacoat did a fantastic job. I even applied it to the motor and the rubber. I applied it all over the motor. I didn't care. I was going to spray it on the motor. Even the motor looks brand new. This stuff is phenomenal. I mean, this boat just gleams. Put it on the tires and rims. And now I got a friend looking for some. I absolutely noticed eBay. There was definitely some people that purchased it. I hope my review was helpful. But there were no video reviews on this product. I mean, you can see just how old my striping is. Even that is, you know, spider cracked over time, and just from stretching and condensing. And you really can't even tell, you know, 3 feet away. I mean, this boat looks great. And the Costacoat certainly gave it that gleam, you know, that it really needed. But yeah, I'm thoroughly happy with the product. I endorse it 100%. Ron is a great guy. He answered all my questions, had no problems. I called him 6 o'clock at night asking dumb questions. How do I apply it? What temperature? What's the mix ratio? What do I have to do? And you know, he answered basically everything. I mean, I kind of feel like an idiot now that I called and asked, because if I just followed the direction on the bottle, it told me everything I needed to know, you know. So I'm very happy with the product. The boat looks phenomenal. Thank you again, Ron. And I will be talking to you at the next season. Take care. Bye.